6 kisses every time she texts me. Like, this is so normal for me.
My grandma sends me texts with, she'll be like, Noah. Yeah.
Let the baby speak first.
Okay. It's because I ate chicken. It's because I had meat, truly. And I ate also just like a shit ton.
Yeah,
People will be able to locate my waist tomorrow. Fuck. It definitely got quiet the second I turned on the video.
Camera shy.
Come on. Is this like an ultrasound? Like, putting the mic to the stomach.
You know, we used to drink a lot of water and like move our stomachs around and put your phone on it.